For 65 years, Habib Public School, founded by the Habib family, has been a cornerstone of education in Karachi. As one of Pakistan's leading non-profit institutions, it offers values-driven learning from grade 1 to grade 12 and provides financial aid to deserving students, ensuring quality education for all. Habib Public School is an all-boys school where we offer a full-day program with experiential learning, giving students ample opportunities to engage in diverse learning. It is affiliated with the Cambridge Assessment International Education and the Orgacon University Examination Board. The school is spread over an area of 18 acres, divided into 5 sections. In our pre-junior and junior sections, from grade 1 to grade 5, students embark on a journey of exploration, growth, and learning in a nurturing, engaging environment. Our pre-junior classrooms are equipped with the latest technology, from tablets to interactive TV, providing an integrated learning space that combines traditional and hands-on experiences. Sports are integral to our philosophy, with dedicated playgrounds featuring swings, a junior tuck shop, an amphitheatre, a futsal ground, and a multi-purpose sports field. We offer multiple spaces designed for physical activity, fun, and teamwork. Our junior section provides a wide range of facilities, including a library, science and computer lab, arts, music room. Our transportation service offers a safe, comfortable commute with friendly drivers. Buses are equipped with CCTV surveillance to ensure a secure environment at all times, and a school-sponsored milk day that promotes healthy growth. HPS is committed to providing a rich learning environment. Our middle section students in grades 6 and 7 gain abilities through a custom syllabus where project-based learning is a prime focus to encourage their curiosity in the emerging trends of 21st century. The school has a legacy of having a cadet corps and brass band. The senior section, which includes secondary and high school, are a one-of-a-kind facility with world-class infrastructure. The senior section in the campus has a science block for a technical education, which includes physics, chemistry, and biology labs, as well as an ICT lab, a library with research and audio-visual facilities, a music room with a comprehensive music curriculum across the school, and art room. The school features a swimming complex, a central hub for swimming sports. We are the only school in Karachi with a world-class AstroTurf field for hockey and other sporting events. An auditorium that can accommodate 300 students, a gymnasium for school-wide events with a sitting capacity of 1,500 people, a daylight dining centre that serves nutritious meals to 500 students every day, and a physical fitness centre offers a diverse range of exercise equipment to promote our students' physical fitness, and a health room where a dedicated team of doctors and nurses are available throughout the day. We take pride that our comprehensive school program and state-of-the-art facilities has enabled us to produce 18,000 plus exceptional alumni within the 60 plus years. Habib firmly believes that quality education equips people with the right knowledge and skills, empowers them with civic values, and enables them to contribute to their communities. Join us in building a society that is inclusive and sustainable. Come to Habib Public School and excel as a proud member of our school community.